Hi, Josh here from LIQUIP, and today I'll be showing you how to change the product seal and outer ring on your LIQUIP API800 series coupler. All the details can also be found in our maintenance instructions. What we've done here is we've simulated the coupler on the loading arm. Now before you begin any maintenance, ensure that the loading arm is properly isolated. For today's maintenance, you're going to need an O-ring pick or a suitable tool. Your first step is going to be to engage all 4 latches and pull the lever. This will allow the collar to slide forward. The next step is to turn the operating handle and push the poppet adapter ring back. Now, with your O-ring pick, you're going to want to pry underneath the product seal to help get it out. If you need it, turn the poppet adapter ring to help you get the product seal out. Now the next step is to get the outer O-ring out. So again, with your O-ring pick or suitable tool, pry underneath the outer O-ring to help get it out of its groove. To assist this, you can slide the outer O-ring over the O-ring pick. With a suitable tool, with a clean cloth, you're going to want to clean the poppet adapter ring to ensure it's free of any debris or dirt. Now you're going to want to grab a new product seal and new outer O-ring. Ensure they've been greased with solvent resistant grease. Now the first step to replace the seals is to put the outer O-ring back on the groove. Do this by putting it in the groove and installing it over the poppet adapter ring. Ensure it's fitted in the groove correctly. The next step is the product seal. Install this over the poppet adapter ring or the poppet. And now what I like to do is I like to put 4 points in that are 90 degrees from each other. So here, 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 and here. Push those 4 points in first to help you install the rest of the seal. Once you've done that, you can work the rest of the seal in using your thumbs by sliding them across the groove. Across the seal, sorry. Turn the poppet adapter ring as required to help you work your fingers over the seal. Now, slide your thumb or fingers across to ensure it's free from any bumps. If it's free from any bumps, you know that it's fitted correctly. Now to finish off, you close the coupler by turning the operating handle. You've just replaced the product seal and outer O-ring on your LIQUIP API800 series coupler. Thank you.